Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jareesh soup. Toast crushed wheat until fragrant, then sauté onion and garlic with tomato paste and spices. Add warm broth and soaked Jareesh, stirring to combine, and simmer gently until grains are tender and the soup is creamy. Finish by brightening with lemon juice, folding in chopped parsley, and drizzling olive oil before serving. Gather ingredients and complete simple prep steps for Jareesh soup. Soak 1 cup crushed wheat for at least 30 minutes to reduce cooking time. Sauté chopped onion and garlic in olive oil, add tomato and spices, then pour in 4 cups broth and the drained Jareesh. Simmer gently, stirring occasionally until grains are tender and the flavors meld, then adjust seasoning to taste before serving. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you are enjoying this Jareesh soup guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort when stirring pots and chasing splatters. I genuinely use them and they hold up to kitchen life. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Control texture and seasoning to make standout Jareesh soup for any meal. Pulse some cooked grains with an immersion blender to create a thicker, creamier base while leaving some whole for texture. Add more broth for a lighter soup or simmer, uncovered to reduce and thicken naturally. Taste as you go and finish with salt, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a final swirl of olive oil for balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.